Dracula in under 2 minutes. This is a story about a villain. There was a badass motherfucker named Dracula who lived in the dirty Albert Legion of Doom.
Kind of hard to believe things are going.
Dracula wanted to move out and get a new smush pad because it was getting pretty grimy.
To believe that the tide's going to turn.
Dracula called up a guy named Callisto to talk about real estate over a drink.
Easier now. I'm still trying to shake off the pain from the lessons.
Callisto gets plastered and ends up crashing at the Legion of Doom.
If I
But
see
Dracula
that
warns
house,
Callisto
I
not
swear
to leave
the
his
Lord I
room.
will slay him. Ha 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 ha! He'd take it from me, but I swear I won't let it be so. Ha 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 ha! Blood will run down his face.
Dracula locks Callisto up and pieces to London to feel biddings.
Heather, my man, is how I will let this world know.
Dracula pulls a robbery on Callisto and steals his girl, telling her all sorts of grimy shit like how he wants to see her in his dead wife's lingerie. Dracula then starts creeping her best friend. He ends up biting her and bleeding her dry. London was rattled, so they call in Van Helsing, who's pretty much like the Chuck Norris of the time. Van Helsing tries garlic and steaks and all that shit, but the motherfucker just won't die. Van Helsing then assembles a posse, and they all chase Dracula down and end him.